Next question, you were given the point 3,5 and the point 913, asked to do the fundamental triangle there and calculate its slope, just the slope. We get 4/3, that's very straightforward. Then we put another point out there somewhere, doesn't matter where, and we call it xy. And then we connect that point to the point 913, and we find that the fundamental triangle between these 2 points has a rise of y minus 13, a run of x minus 9 for a slope of y minus 13 divided by x minus 9. Now, the point xy doesn't look like it's on this line, but we could have written it anywhere. We could have written it up here, and the rise still would have been expressed as y minus 13, the run as x minus 9, and the slope as y minus 13 divided by x minus 9. And I'll say that then xy lies on the line if and only if both of these slopes are equal, both the slope of this triangle and the slope of this triangle. In other words, the slope 4/3, the slope y minus 13 over x minus 9. Why is that? It's because the slope between any 2 points on the same straight line is the same as the slope between any other 2 points. And what do we have? We have 2 points here where the slope is 4/3, and we have 2 points here where this slope is undetermined. But if xy is going to be on the line, it has to be equal to 4/3. Of course, the slope of this between these points is y minus 13 over x minus 9. So y minus 13 over x minus 9 must equal 4/3. We can easily solve this equation for y, and we get our equation in, I said point slope form, and that's actually slope intercept form. Let me fix that. Okay, again, solving this equation for y, we get our equation in slope intercept form, which would be this form. And here, as I said, I would try to do, I've actually solved this equation for y. Multiplied both sides by x minus 9, and it's clear that we'll get y minus 14 is 4/3 the quantity x minus 9. Distributing through here, we get 4/3 x minus 4/3 of negative 9, well, minus 4/3 of 9 is going to be 12. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12, and we got the minus. And then we're going to add 13 to both sides, leaving us the equation y equals 4/3 x plus 1. Line with slope 4/3, intercepting the y-axis at y equals 1.